Hi, and now I want to take a look at sedimentary rocks. So again, if you are at home for an online lab, you may get a box of rocks and not really be quite sure what to do with them. So we're going to look at this little sample here today and use it to model what you're going to do with the rest of your samples. We're going to look at a flow chart that helps you to define what the rock name is, and I'll show you how to record things on a little chart to help us record the data that we collect. If you're taking an online lab from someone else besides me, your flow chart might look a little bit different, but they work pretty much the same way, so this video should still help you.
First, look at the texture to determine if you think it is clastic, chemical, biochemical, or organic. When I look closely, I can see little grains that look stuck together. If the grains look like shells, it could be biochemical. Since they don't, we will classify this as clastic. Then we notice that this rock feels scratchy when I rub my fingers over it, like sandpaper. I can also see some layering in it. In an in-person lab, we would perform an acid test. Since we can't do that from home, we instead consult our course materials in Canvas and see on the instruction page where I posted videos of each sample being tested for a reaction with acid. If I tested this sample, it would not react with acid. Now we look at our rock identification chart and see that a clastic rock made of sand-sized grains, it feels gritty to the touch, is a sandstone. When I read more about it on the chart, I can see that it can be well sorted or poorly sorted. Since all of these grains are similar in size, it would be well sorted.